Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to go over what a child theme is, why you want to use one, and then I'm going to show you how to set up and customize the Elementor Hello Child theme for your brand or project. So let's get started. Now, what is a child theme? A child theme is an overlay to your parent theme that allows you to make customizations without actually modifying the parent theme's core files. So this is very important because when WordPress updates a theme, the theme directory gets overwritten with the new version. So if you customize the parent theme files, as soon as you update the theme, the files that you made customizations to are going to go away and get replaced with the new version. So a child theme solves this because a child theme never gets updated. So you put your customizations safely in a child theme, and then when the parent theme gets updated and the files get replaced, it's okay because your customizations are safely in the child theme. Imagine you have a picture frame with a photo in it, and the photo is the parent theme, and the glass over it is the child theme. Now, you could take a permanent marker, you can draw all over the glass, and it's going to modify the appearance of the photo below, but you're not actually modifying the photo below, right? You can even update the photo with a new one as many times as you want, and the customization, the drawing on the glass is still going to be there. That's a little bit about how it works. I suggest using a child theme all the time. Even if you don't think you're going to add any customization, you never know. And what I find is almost everybody at some point comes across some code snippet or some customization that they need to make. And it's really a little bit easier if you start off, right off the bat with setting up a child theme. That's actually part of my, workflow. Whenever I start a website from scratch, the child theme is one of the first things I do. So let's kind of dive into, getting it set up. A quick note, if you have a, fresh website, you're just getting started, feel free to install a child theme, no worries. If you have an established website that's already up and running, when you change themes, your theme settings go with it. In the case of Hello, there aren't too many theme settings here. Some themes will have like colors and fonts and a bunch of options here, but the Elementor Hello theme is kind of bare bones. So the only thing that you have to worry about is additional CSS. This is the only thing that'll kind of go away when you change themes. So just keep that in mind. And as always, make a backup of your site before doing any work like this, just in case. So I'm just going to go over to the official Elementor GitHub, and there's a link to this in the description. I'm going to go click Code, and then Download Zip. All right, I'm just going to open up my download folder here, and you'll see I have the child theme zip folder I just downloaded. Now, you could actually upload this to WordPress like you would any other theme right now as is. You can activate it and be good to go. But I'm actually going to open it up and show you how to customize it, to match your branding or, for a client. So let's go ahead and extract it. And then inside, we're only going to see a couple files. So I'm going to open up the style.css file first, and you can open it with any code editor that you would like, Dreamweaver, Note++. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Now, this is the theme header information. This is what displays in the back end under Appearance Themes. So for theme name, I usually like to just name it something for the client I'm working on. You could also put, your brand name or really whatever name you want to give your theme. Let's say I was making a real estate site for John Doe. I would maybe put John Doe RE theme. The theme URI, I'm actually just going to delete that in this case. You can link that to your website or their website, I guess, if you want. The description, anything you want, I'm just going to put in let's actually spell it out, real estate theme. All right. The author, this is where you could put your name. or whatever alias you go on the web. This is where you would put your website. The template, do not touch this. This is required. This is just telling the child theme that it belongs to the parent theme, Hello Elementor. The version, I'll just go ahead and change it to the 0.0 just to show you that you can. You can go ahead and leave a text domain license. And then I'm actually just going to remove tags because this is not a searchable theme on the repo, so we don't really need the tags. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the screenshot. I'm just going to open it up real quick with Photoshop. And you can put anything you want here. This is the thumbnail that displays in the back end under Appearance Themes. And what I like to do is I just like to put a screenshot of the actual site it's on. So let me go here and just drag in this little screenshot I have, just as an example. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time on this making it perfect because I'm not going to make you guys sit and wait while I, tweak this. All right. I'll just throw in some text just to give you an idea. Perfect. I'm not even going to worry about really centering it or anything like that. We'll just leave it like that. So I'm going to save it for web and devices. Export, save for web. And I'm actually just going to save it in the child theme folder that I opened up. I'm just going to replace it with what's there. Perfect. All right, so far what we've done, just to recap, is we've downloaded the Elementor Hello Child Theme. We've extracted the zip. We have replaced the screenshot with whatever we want. We've opened up the style.css file, and we've modified the theme header information to customize it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select all the files here, and then we're going to send them into a zip folder. So the name of the zip that you give here is going to be publicly viewable if somebody views the page source on the website. So this is the actual theme directory that's public. So I'm just going to put John Doe theme. Keep in mind, this should be all lowercase, no spaces, use hyphens, etc. Standard web naming rules apply. So that's all there is to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to WordPress. Just a quick note, just a reminder, again, if you have any CSS here, go ahead and just copy that. And then I'm going to go to Add New for Themes, Upload Theme. And then I'm just going to browse and make sure to upload the zip that you made, not the one that you downloaded. So John Doe theme, upload, and install. Perfect. So we can see here that it was checking for the parent theme and it found it, which is the hello. And now let's just go ahead and click activate. So you'll see we have our child theme activated and installed. It has the name that we gave it. It has a screenshot that we gave it. And if we click it, we can see all the information that we added, right? So we have the name, the version, the author that links to the site that we put in there. And then we have the description. And it all looks good. So I'm just going to head over to Customize real quick. And you'll see that the CSS is no longer here like I mentioned. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in what I copied from the parent theme. Now, what I would actually do is I would actually add your CSS to the child theme style.css. We won't really get into that now, but just make sure you add it back one way or the other. So let's take a look. That's all there is to it. And then if we go to, let me just show you the directory real quick. And then search for the name that we gave the zip folder. We'll see right here on the front end, we'll see our theme directory. So looks like everything worked. I hope this was helpful to you. I'm working on a bunch of other training and a whole new training website, all free, of course. So hopefully I'll see you in future trainings. Thank you.